Hosting a website builder tutorial. So do you want to build a stunning website in less than an hour or without even writing a single line of code? Then in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a professional website using Hosting a Website Builder. So let's get started. So as you may know, Hosting a Website Builder, it's an easy to use drag and drop platform and lets you or anyone create a website without any coding or design experience. So even if you're like whether you're building a personal portfolio or a business website or online store or even a blog, it comes with like professionally designed templates, AI powered tools, and also built-in hostings to help you get online pretty much quickly. So I'll walk you through those process. So the first thing is you go to sign up and access the website builder. To do that, first create or log into your Hostinger account. So if you already have an account, just log into your account. If not, you can just simply open up any browser of your choice. Just type in Hosting a Website Builder and then just go to this Hosting a Website Builder link here, and this will take you to your Hosting a Website Builder page here. So once you're here, okay, inside now, the first thing you got to choose a plan that well suits you, because you can access Hostinger with a paid plan. So just go and select the plan that best suits you and your needs. So just choose one. Okay, and then once you have chosen one, and next what we're going to do is you will get to your dashboard. So once you've already uh, logged in and everything, once you're inside your dashboard, then you can select you will get to something similar to the here, and you can simply click on this create website option here. So there is like two ways how you can you can build a website. So first, there's two options. So first option is you can use the AI website builder. So it will generate a website based on your business description. So the better description you give, it will create. So if you go to create website option, click on create website and just give the prompt. Okay, a really good prompt, a detailed prompt. And if you have a niche to your website, just mention that. So mention each and every single detail as much as possible, okay, and so that it can generate the best website for you with like dedicated images, graphics, and all those things. So try to give a good description with all the things that you actually need. You can always edit it later, but when you actually build it, you try to give it all the necessary things, elements that you want to have in your website. So just mention everything and give a prompt, and it will create the website for you. So that's one way of creating the website. But apart from that, you can also have the template option. So um, Hostinger also provides like templates. If you go to templates, you will see there is a wide range of templates, okay, which is like ready-made templates, and you can simply select one and customize it yourself and use it like normally what we do for like PowerPoint presentations and stuff. So just select any of these, okay, for example like this one here. So just click on it. So click on it and then hit on start building, and it will get to you, it will open up the website builder here. So once you're on the website builder here, now since I've chosen a template, I can do everything, like I can fully customize it. So for example, I want to change the title, so I'll click on it, and then here click on the text, and then choose how I want the title to be, like the title customization and everything, the layout customization. Or you just select any item, okay, any element on the web page, and you'll be able to you'll be able to like change the settings associated with it, and also you'll be able to change the name or edit the names associated with it as well. So here the logo, you can add a logo. So just whatever the logo is, you can select the image, okay, and you can replace the image with your logo. So click on replace image and then just add in your logo, your company logo, your website logo, whatever you want to, you can do that. And here you have these different sections here. So if you want to add a section, click on the add section here, then it will let you like add a section. So you have different types of things that you can add here. You can simply choose what you want to add or what type of page here or template here. These are also templates here, you can just add it. or you can, if you want to add a blank section, you can click on add blank section here and add a blank section, so depending on what you want to do. Okay, and if you want to that's so simply, if you want to like change any of these, simply click on it and you will be able to change it. So you can, if you want to change this gallery, you can just click on edit gallery and then change it, or if you can want to manage the gallery, click on manage to do that. So you can simply click on it and change it. Other than that, if you want to look access the elements, so there's an on your left side menu here, you have an elements here. So click on the elements, and here these are the basic elements that you can add on your web page, so on your website. All of these are just drag and drop. You just click on drop it. So if you add a text, you can add text. If you add a button. If you add a link, the bags, and all these things, image, galleries, videos, anything that you want to add, you will find it here. So social media icons, if you add it, you can just click on it and then you will just drag and drop it here anyway. So you just have to click on it and then simply drag and drop it. You'll find it here. See your social media icons here. So I've just drag and dropped it here, and then you can edit it there. So all these elements are pretty much easier to use because they're just drag and drop. So you can similarly, you can do that. And if you want to customize the pages, go to the pages section here, and here the navigation, so you can move around and see how you want to move it. So like the sequence and everything, you can move that. And the pages here, if you want to add a page, you can click on add page, and that's where you add a new page to your websites if you want to. So just add pages section here. So everything to do with the pages, it comes under this section here, and you can simply customize it. All right, so if you go to settings, you click on the three dots here, you get to the each page settings here. So from there you can you have options to make it as a home page and rename it and all those things, like other settings here which you can play around with it. And there is styles here. If you click on styles, and here you will see all your colors, the color styles you have used, the fonts you have used here, and you can simply change it by clicking on any of these here. So you can simply change it, okay, to whatever you want to. You can simply change that too, and that's how you can change it. So if you click on it, it will keep on changing. As you can see, the fonts changes when you click on it. So that's how, if you want to change the style or anything, you can do that here. And another great option here, a great tool you have here, is the AI tools. So Hostinger has this AI tools here which can help you to generate image. You can use this AI image generator. If you want to create an image, you can use that AI generator, especially when you're if you are designing a logo or something like that. You can pretty much use this AI image generator. It does a decent job. You can do that. And if you want to write something, it has the writer here, so it helps you with the writing. Okay, and page generator, you have section generators, a lot of things. And yes, as I mentioned earlier, the logo maker, you have a dedicated logo maker here which can do a logo for you. You can do that, and all this. So these are all the AI tools comes under here, in which you can simply work around it and play around with that and generate whatever you want to using the AI. And apart from that, you also have your SEO setups and everything here, which you can also wake it up. And once you're done with all your and here you have the view where you can, this is the desktop view and it's the mobile view, so you can switch around, see how your website is going to look like on your mobile as well on the desktop. You can just do that. And once you're done with everything, if you want to save your website, you can click on the save option here. Okay, and if you want to see a preview, you can go preview, and once you are ready to publish, all you have to do is click on go live here. But in order to publish this, you need to have a paid plan, so make sure that you are subscribed to a plan so that you'll be able to use this so that you'll be able to publish your website once you're done with that. So basically that's how you can easily publish a website using Hostinger website builder, especially with the AI tools and everything. It's very easy, and you can just get it done in a very short period of time, and it's mostly all drag and drop with the editors, and it's all AI powered features, so you can easily launch the website in no time. So hope the video helps.